Welcome to Pretty Hair is Fun. We are starting our Halloween tutorials and we were so excited. You can see this awesome scarecrow look that we have for you, and we have Jen here from Classy Cosmetics. She is a fellow YouTuber and a crazy talented makeup artist. So we're so excited to have her do our next 2 videos, and then there's going to be one posted over on her channel, so make sure and check that one out. And we'll put all the links down below and we'll get started on this cute scarecrow.
Okay, so awesome, welcome. We are going to be doing an amazing scarecrow look today. We've already added our primer to our eyelid. This is MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. And then we're primarily going to be using our Jaclyn Hill palette today for those awesome fall colors that will give us the scarecrow dreams are made of. Okay, so we're going to go in and we're going to start with this awesome color right here and put that all over the lid. Now we're going to be going into this awesome burnt red. There is quite a bit of fallout with this palette, but just tap it off. You know, a little tap, 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 and you're good. And this will just deepen up our crease. We're going to go for an awesome highlight color. These ones are amazing if you want that shimmer shine. Go ahead and get a little bit of that right underneath the brow bone. We'll put a little bit of this right here, right on the lid, up to the lash line. With blending, so we don't lose too much of that first color that we put in, I'm just dipping my brush into that and using that to blend out these colors. I always do eyes first. It really is personal preference, but the reason I do eyes first is because there's so much fallout, especially when you're using pigmented colors like this, that you'll want to wipe away before you do your foundation. We're going to be going in with a super light concealer to actually go all over the face. You can use a lighter foundation as well, but we just want to pale out her face and really make these colors pop. Okay, so we went in with a very light powder after putting on that foundation because we really want these colors to pop. And anytime you want something to pop, you usually put something lighter or white right underneath it. So we're gonna go back in with some Jaclyn Hill magic and just do some fun contouring and do some fun cheeks. Taking a little bit of those orange colors that we've been using all over our face, we're going to put that on our lips. Something that I love using at Halloween time is water activated paint. When it dries, really nothing comes off, but when you dip your brush in water and swirl it around, you can put it on. Another reason that I love that is because it's easy to take off, especially when you're doing makeup on kiddos. You don't want the hassle of trying to clean their faces with harsh chemicals or by rubbing super hard. You just use water to get this off. It's awesome. So we're going to start with our stitching here. Just going straight out. Okay. And look up to the sky. Instead of putting lashes on the underneath, you can always just fake it. To make them look a little bit thicker and a little more realistic, you can do little triangles right up here. All right, and so for our cute little nose here, just outline it in black, let that dry, and then go back in with shadow if you want to make it a different color. So the nice thing about this look is it's a scarecrow. You don't have to be perfect with the stitching. So if you make a mistake, la-di-da. If you don't like it, take a Q-tip with some water and just take it right off. Like I said, super, super easy to take off. All right, so we kind of want to make sure that this stitching looks like it's actual stitching, it's actually on her face. So we're going to add some more dimension. We're going to go into some of those ruddy browns and oranges, and we're going to shadow a little bit. And with just a little bit of black eyeshadow, we're going to lightly go over all of the stitching. What is a scarecrow without darling freckles? Just take any brown liner. I always think it looks cute to do bigger dots and then some smaller ones. The smaller ones I'm getting with a brush, obviously, but using some brown water activated paint. We did a coat of mascara, and now we're going to add a nude liner to the water line on the bottom. There we go. So I picked up some Ardell's. These are the 603s in black. They're kind of separated and awesome, and we're just going to go ahead and put those on. Excuse me. Totally optional, but I love a little pop of shimmer. This is the same color we used for the brow bone. Just putting it right in the middle there. Even on the tip of the nose. And voila.
If you liked this video, check out these ones. And if you want to check out Jenn's channel, they're here. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next week.